For me, I'm very careful with it because of the fact there's so many people using it the wrong way now, which makes it not only difficult to do it properly, but you want to be very, very careful with what you're doing, because I think you can hurt your brand pretty easily on LinkedIn now. I think everyone's going to know that, I get something like 10 or 12 a week connections from people that are purely trying to sell a product. That's the only reason they're trying to connect. And it's so obvious most of the time that I'm not going to connect with them anymore. Like 2 years ago, maybe I would have, but now I'm just like, whatever, no. So they're not even getting in the door now.
Gotcha. Liz, what about yourself?
I think it's an interesting platform to build personal brands. So if you've got an MD or a sales rep that's specialising in a certain space, then supporting them and helping them build their persona in that vertical, and then using targeted LinkedIn advertising to very, very specific audiences, not email, you can help your pipeline progress. So we do a lot of thought leadership for our MD and director, and do a lot of support around that. We also share our announcements and those kinds of things, and a lot of kind of co-marketing. So we celebrate the successes of our customers, which they love. So
Gotcha.
Yeah, and I think those kind of things, particularly that sort of brand building and thought leadership stuff, is the right thing to be doing there now.